Okay then, what we're going to do now is rope up. Yeah, first thing you've got to do is take the pockets out. That is the quickest way, I know, to get them out. Now, sometimes they're jammed in. These ones, because we've cleaned them up, were loose. Yeah. The next thing you've got to do, we know the boxes are clean, so the next thing you've got to do is get hold of your mouse. Yeah. And you've got to tie it to the rope. And what you do is you use what's called a clove hitch. A clove hitch is literally two rings folded over each other, slipped over the end of the rope. Yeah, or sash cord, whatever you want to call it. Right, so that's the way you tie it on. The reason you tie it on like that is because afterwards it's very easy to get it off. If you use other knots, they slip off too easily. Now the next thing is to get up there. And do remember, you want to be reasonably safe while you're doing this. So you start on the left hand side, or I start on the left hand side. Yeah. You put the mouse head, which is literally just a lump of lead, on this bit of cord, and you put it in the first pulley. You let it down and pull the rope through. Once you get resistance, you get hold of the rope and just pull it through. Now there's a lot of feeding of rope here. Now that you've finished that side, that front side, you take the cord again and you put it in the front, the first pulley on the right hand side. Again, you pull it out, turn the rope over so that it goes through the hole, and keep the mouse outside so that you don't get tangled up. Now, and this is the bit that always confuses people, you take the mouse again, and on the same side you just did, you poke the mouse through, let it all the way to the bottom, put your hand in the pocket and pull out the cord. Again, same process, turn the rope over so it's in the pulley housing, pulley wheel, pull that rope, pull down on the mouse, pull that rope, pull down on the mouse, pull that rope, pull down on the mouse, pull that rope and pull down on the cord. Now you should end up like that. That way you know you're not going to get tangled. Yeah? And the last one, make sure that you keep to the outside, and then you put it in the last pulley, which is on the left hand side, right to the outside. Again, let the rope down. Once you see the mouse come through, pull it, get hold of the rope, turn it over and allow it to push through. Yeah. Now, depending on how much rope you've taken, you need to chase those around. Yeah. And there is your second rope. Now if you step back, you'll see that you've got a cross, yeah, and that rope is on the outside and this rope is on the inside. And that is all there is to roping up. And now when you get hold of this, that's it out. Now to tie a mouse back up again so that it doesn't get tangled, in with your hand, and all you do is you keep your hands stiff but you move your wrist, and that's the rope tied up. You go around the back and you go in through the loop, so that is now ready for the next time you want to use it. Put that over there like that, and you just keep your right hand still, and you just go back and forwards as if you're the queen. Wait. Put that over there. Waving. Yeah, put that through there, and that through there. And that's the joke done.